How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing whistling practice. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So what we'll do is I'll give you guys tips in between sets on how to whistle. If you're a first timer watching my channel, I will give you guys some tips. For the people that have been watching for a long time, you guys know the tips already, but again, this is for the new people. And again, this whistling video, it's super chill. All we're gonna do is practice our whistling and learn how to whistle together. So it's super chill. So we'll do 5 second whistle for 5 seconds. We'll take a minute break, and then we'll just keep doing that till the end of the video. Video will be about 5 minutes long. So let's go. Okay, 5 seconds, that's up. Again, I'm trying to keep it a little bit quiet just because it is pretty early in the morning and my wife is still sleeping. So I do apologize, I'm not going all out on the whistling, but again, I am still whistling, so I am still practicing it. The key for whistling and what a lot of people fail to do is tongue position and lip suction. So this is where your tongue should be. This is how I whistle, so watch. So that's where my tongue is. My tongue, the tip of my tongue, is at the bottom of my mouth like this. And then all you do is close your mouth. So again. Just like that. Now suction is very important. We'll do another 5 seconds and I'll tell you about that. So let's go. Okay. Suction. Your lips have got to be as tight as possible while still allowing air to come through. So if you see, like you ask someone who's very young to whistle, they'll try to go like this because they don't understand how to whistle. And so this is what you're supposed to do. Get really tight with your lips, kind of like you're kissing someone, and then make an opening. So like this. See how you can barely see an opening? See? Just barely you can see an opening. And that's basically how you whistle, you guys. It's pretty sweet, pretty easy. But it takes practice. You're not going to learn it first couple of minutes. It does take practice. That's why I'm making these videos, so we have time to spend practicing. Let's do another 5 seconds. Generally, we will go 10 seconds whistling, but again, my wife's trying to sleep. I don't want to wake her up. Another thing too is going longer than 10 seconds. For me anyways, I become very lightheaded. So that's why I try to keep it at 10 seconds. I don't want to be doing 20 or 30 seconds. I'll probably pass out, to be honest. So again, keep it at 10 seconds. Don't do any more, even though you can. If you want to do more, take like a 30-second break and then continue. Don't just whistle nonstop. You will get lightheaded. Okay, we will do another 5 seconds. So, it's 5 seconds. Another reason why I do these whistling videos, not only to help people learn how to whistle, but at the same time, they're super chill. I do a lot of workout videos on my channel, like I mean a lot. So I would say basically every 3 out of 4 videos is a workout video. So with that being said, I like to have a couple of videos that I do from time to time that are chill, that I can kind of relax, give me a break from working out, but at the same time still produce content that people like. Believe it or not, whistling, I don't know how, but believe it or not, it's my most second best topic for search engine optimization. This is the second best one. Sorry, third best. It was Kegel's abs whistling. The thing is, I haven't made very many whistling videos. Abs, Kegels, I made quite a bit of videos. Whistling, not so many. So it's pretty interesting to see the popularity of this. Let's do another 5 seconds, then we're done. Okay, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurg999. Thanks.